Hello, I hope you're doing great. We are from Maqbool Solutions software company, and today we're going to talk about an incredible feature of our eSalesAnalyst point of sale software, the auto backup feature. Have you ever worried about losing your important sales and purchase data? What if your system crashes or files accidentally get deleted? Don't panic. Our auto backup feature has got you covered. This feature automatically backs up your database, keeping your data safe and secure without any manual effort. Sounds amazing, right? How to select the backup directory. 1. The first time you open the software after creating a trial, you'll see a Select Backup Directory pop-up notification. 2. You can either cancel it or click OK to proceed. 3. Now, select any drive other than C, because if your Windows crashes, C drive might be at risk. 4. Create a new folder, name it Auto Backup, and select it. 5. Finally, click Open, and you're all set. How to enable Auto Backup? 1. Click on the taskbar. 2. Right-click on the database icon. 3. Select Enable Auto Backup, and that's it. From now on, your software will take care of everything automatically. How to confirm if Auto Backup is working? Already using our point of sale software, but not sure if the backup is happening? Follow these simple steps. 1. Click on the taskbar. 2. Right-click on the database icon. 3. If auto backup is enabled, congratulations, your data is safe. 4. Want to know where your backup is stored? Click on Backup Directory. 5. This will show the exact folder path where backups are being saved. 6. Open that folder, and you should see 56 backup files. Proof that your software is consistently backing up your data. Every few moments, the software will create a complete copy of your database, so you never have to worry about losing important information again. Why is this feature important? Imagine your computer crashes, Windows gets deleted, or files mysteriously disappear. Scary, right? But with auto backup, your data remains safe and sound. Since it's stored in a drive other than Seek, you'll always have a backup ready to restore. And guess what? You can even connect the software to the cloud, ensuring that your data is not only safe, but also accessible from anywhere. We'll cover that in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. This auto backup feature is truly a game changer, making sure your business operations never stop. So what are you waiting for? Enable it today and enjoy complete peace of mind.